美國的國務卿魯比歐參加英國會聽證會，強調講美國對台灣的立場無改變，甲以前同款，攏希望維持現狀。另外，有關美金140億的對台軍售案，魯比歐講美國政府要咧審查，並無取消。
There's been no change to U.S. policy towards Taiwan. I think obviously the Chinese side would like to see a change in the verbiage, but no change has been made in that regard.
當地的參議院外交委員會聽證會，美國國務卿魯比歐清楚強調，美國對台灣的立場從來無改變，嘛表示華府希望維持現狀。那針對美國延後140億美金對台軍售案，魯比歐是表示，目前美國政府還閣咧審查這項軍售案，指出這條案件無取消，嘛強調美國有繼續軍援台灣。
Well, I know in December of this year we did approve an arms sales. I think $11 billion. I think it's the single largest arms sale ever. I think it's more than the totality of the 4 years under the Biden administration. But I don't think it's fair to say that the U.S. is not providing. We just had a massive arms sales.
Rubio 針對美對台立場還有軍售案，攏總講清楚，因為美國總統 Trump 5月拜訪中國，北京當局關心美方對台立場，嘛反對美國軍售台灣。對這 Rubio 承認，中方確實繼續向美方講到對台軍售，不過這無影響華府的決策。
A very delicate relationship to balance, but our policy on Taiwan is not changing and did not change on this trip.
那面對議員問到中國當想要佇咧人工智慧比賽當中較佔贏，對這 Rubio 嘛強調，去年美國甲盟友建立熟悉性，倡議的重要性。
On the world, I think we're up to 13 or 14, and including ourselves and others who hope to join as well, in which we can create this global consortium for all of the elements of the AI supply.
除了中國 ，Rubio 嘛針對美國甲伊朗的談判表達看法，表示原來對恢復甲伊朗的核談判是樂觀的態度。那做一個古巴的移民之子，伊嘛保衛美國對古巴的政策，不過立場就隨和民眾抗議，嘛正做聽證會意外插曲。